Please introduce yourself.
So, sir, basically, my name is Vairavi Nandini Kaushik, and
Okay.
I am from Assam, but I was working with Tata Mystery College, Hyderabad for
Okay.
the last 4 years.
Okay.
So, uh, I was in your group, like in WhatsApp,
Mm-hmm.
where I learned a lot about cybercrime and everything.
Mm-hmm.
So, it's been an honor, basically, sir, to talk to you even.
Mm-hmm.
So, uh, so what happened was my fiance basically like he got a job in Hyderabad recently.
Mm-hmm.
So he wanted to move to Hyderabad, and so as usual,
Mm-hmm.
so we were looking in different websites like Magic Bricks and Housing.com,
Mm-hmm.
and from Housing.com basically he found a house in Banjara Hills, Hyderabad,
Mm-hmm.
where he saw the house, he liked it, and he talked to the owner.
Mm-hmm.
And then he was told that you have to send a booking amount of 2,000 rupees if you want the house.
Okay.
So after carefully looking at the pictures and seeing the place and the location they had given, Gauri Shankar Colony, was a place where I have already been.
Okay.
So I knew the place, and so I thought that it's a very beautiful place. And after seeing the pictures and everything, and after talking to the owner and everything, so we thought it. So we as per the rules, we sent a booking amount of 2,000 rupees.
Okay.
And it was fixed that yesterday my friend would go to that place and talk to the owner and check everything out when we can shift and everything and talk about the security deposit and the rent and everything. So
Okay.
when my friend called, he didn't receive the call, but then called back from WhatsApp. So
Mm-hmm.
at that moment itself, I had a little bit of doubt that when the person called from WhatsApp and every time you're trying to call him normally, he wasn't receiving the call. He was cutting the call, but then he was calling them from WhatsApp.
Mm-hmm.
So I was just a bit, since I was reading all the posts and everything, I'm always a bit skeptical. So the moment I saw that, I told him, and then at that time, my fiance told me that actually what happened was earlier in the evening, actually around 4:30, 5 o'clock, the person called and said that you have to pay, like since your people are coming here. So we do not show the house completely until and unless you pay the complete fee, like the 11,500 rupees, until and unless you pay that. We do not show the house because you are fixing it, right? And there are many other customers who want the house. So if you want it, then you have to pay the amount. And my fiance was like, but I haven't seen the house, right? And those people started saying that, no, no, what you have to do is first pay 3,500 rupees. And that will be just okay because earlier you had paid 2,000, this time you paid 3,000, it will be okay. So my fiance thought, then it's fine because we are already ready to take that house. So we'll pay. And he didn't even ask me because if he had, and I would have told him certain things, but he did it himself, right? And then after some time, what he did was the person called again and said that uh, actually he said that they need another 5,000 rupees because if he pays the complete 11,000 rupees, it will give him the ticket and the entire receipt, and that the money is refundable. So my fiance basically he doesn't know much about cybersecurity and stuff, even though I keep telling him that he paid the amount. But then after that, what he did was he started asking the security deposit again after half an hour. At that time, my fiance got a bit doubtful that why are you asking the security deposit even when we haven't even talked? You're just asking money continuously, and now you're coming to ask me about the security deposit. So since he became very doubtful, he called me up and then asked my friend to go and check the house once. And when I called the number, he was cutting the call and then started talking to me.
Mm-hmm.
So when he started talking to me, I was a bit skeptical and a bit doubtful. So I asked him, that, "Where is your office? Like I have been in Hyderabad for a very long time.
Mm-hmm.
So tell me where is your office? So I'll go and give you the cash. I
Mm-hmm.
won't pay you online. I'll pay you cash."
Okay.
And the moment I said cash, he was like, "No, no, we don't take cash. We only take online payments. If you do not want to pay, why are you talking to us?" And I was like, "No, sir, I have not said that I'll not pay. I'll pay you. I'll just give the cash in hand. Like, I'll meet you face to face. I'll go to your office, talk in your office, proper office, and then I'll give you cash. And
Okay.
it's a good thing, right? The deal will be completed at that moment. And he was like, he started shouting and he was like,
I
oh
got
no,
the idea, Nandini.
ऐसे नहीं
So
होता.
basically, they were befooling you, and right from beginning, they
Yes.
were having the intent to befool and extract the money, and thereafter become non-responsive. By now, they must not be picking your call.
No, sir, they're not picking my call.
Okay. So nothing to worry. They have
Yes, sir.
committed an offense, right? Offense of
Sir.
cheating, 400 BC, and along with the other things. So you are having the
Yes,
enough
sir.
digital evidence, so you make out a
Yes,
proper
sir.
proper FIR and go and report it to the
Okay, sir.
police, right? You try to give
Okay.
whatever the best you can do in a digital format, and you can request that you were talking through this number, and they should get the
Okay, sir.
IP address and other details, etc., and should properly investigate it, right?
Okay,
Since
sir.
since AP police is relatively doing better in cybercrime, so I hope
Okay.
you are in a right place to get a right kind of the redressal, right? Had you been in other state, I
Yes, sir.
really doubt probably you might not have got the right kind of the redressal from police, right? Uh,
Sir.
you can keep me posted and you can keep me informed. I will try to help you out.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Acha, okay. And now I would like to uh,